Hey Creep family, it's your girl Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you look number 7 in our 13 Days of Halloween series with Pennywise. If you are new here, please subscribe and join the Creep family. We would love to have you here and join in our spooky shenanigans. Also be sure to like and comment and share this video if you enjoyed it. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the look. Oh, hi there. Yes, so I already have my wig cap on and my contacts in. I will list the link down below where I get my contacts so you can grab some for yourself. But to start, I am going to black out my brows, so I'm using my glue stick to put a good amount of glue on my brows at the moment, and then using a spoolie to brush the hairs upwards and against my head. Then I'm putting about another 5 or so layers of glue on there until they are nice and compact. Once that has dried down completely, I'm then going in with a thick concealer like the Tarte Shape Tape and just blending that into my skin with my finger. And then I'm using a white cream paint and just placing this all over my face. Just get your face completely white. Go ahead and set your face with some translucent setting powder, and then we're going to prime our eyelids with an eyeshadow primer. Then going in with a black eyeshadow, I'm just packing this right onto the lid, blending it out, making it really nice and smoky, both on the top and bottom lid. Also be sure to tight line with a black eyeliner in your waterline to make it really nice and dark. Then going in with a combination of black and white water activated face paints, I'm just putting this on a brush and spraying this all over my face to give it a more dirtied up texture. We're then cleaning up the eyes with some more black eyeshadow just to get rid of those little speckles. And then grab a bright red lip color and put this all over your lips. I'm then taking a red water activated face paint and using this to paint in my little clown nose on the tip of my nose, as well as draw in the lines leading up from the corners of our mouth up through our brow bone on each side. How do you guys feel about this new design for Pennywise? I actually really kind of like it. I like the simplicity of it, but it's still very iconic and you know exactly who and what it is. But let me know in the comments if you prefer the Tim Curry version or the Bill Skarsgård version. I would like to know. Then taking a light brown eyeshadow, I'm using this to start sketching in my brows. I'm just going for a very thin, like pencil thin eyebrow. And I'm creating a really high arch with it as well. Once I've placed those down, I'm then going in with a little bit of brown eyeshadow and just putting this under the brows as well to kind of start creating a little bit of dimension and shadow under there. Also placing a little bit on the sides of my nose, kind of for like a really subtle contour. Then I'm taking the black eyeshadow and using this to contour my cheekbones for something a little bit more dramatic, as well as along the perimeter of my forehead. And then throwing some mascara and false lashes onto my eyelashes here. Then grab the rest of your costume and voila, you are now Pennywise. Do you guys like this little boat hat I made? I thought it was really cute. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the absolute living crap out of every single one of you. Like I said earlier, please subscribe if you have not already. We would love to have you be a part of our little spooky family. Also, so you can check out the other looks that I have planned for you. Like I said, this is only look number 7 out of 13. So we still got more to go, and we got a lot of other ones on the roster if you haven't seen those yet. So go to my channel and check them out. But again, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah!